Speaking of cafe, yo, I need some coffee.
All right, let's move.
I've had 0 caffeine all day today, guys. I've been caffeine free. Thoughts?
Dropping into the AO. Mark the rest of that squad on your tac map. Go get hunting.
Ah, he's trying to hit the repinch now. I like that actually a lot. I like this play. I don't know where the heck he just went. He just vanished. That man just vanished. Ow. That was an insane ego shot of them. I gotta be honest. Joe's the hottest Warzone, bro. You know it. You ain't gotta lie to me.
Enemy soldier incoming.
But I love you though. But I love you though. We're shooting right now.
Hunt them down.
No, we are shooting right now. Yo, CG with a 30-31 gun, Joe to go. What's up, baby? Yo, they give it 11 to 33, man. They give it 11 to 33, man. Let's go, baby. Yo, I appreciate that. Thank you, legend. Oh, we're getting scammed on loot, and I can feel it in my bones. I can feel it in my bones.
Be advised, there's an enemy squad gunning for you.
Yeah, I gotta be honest. I don't know why people do that. It's kind of funny though, you know. It's kind of funny when people literally
Get ready. You're redeploying.
use their finishing move on me, and I'm like, didn't y'all just like stack me out like that? But you know, GG's on me.
Got a loadout drop inbound.
GG's on me, you know. And on top of that, I'm like, yo, I'm pretty sure, like I already killed that once, you know.
Well done.
Ah. Billy, I know. That is the best. That is the best when that happens.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. Enemies dropping into the AO.
Okay. I don't really know what that guy's game plan was, but alright. A quadruple stun?
Enemy UAV overhead.
A quadruple stun is crazy. The quadruple stun is a wild one.
Gas is inbound.
Oh. Good plays, good plays.
Go get after it.
Curve monitors, I personally do not like them because I sit way too close. That is just but they're just not very good for me personally. But you know, for some people they love them. Oh my gosh.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Buy station prices are adjusted. To hunt down the rest of them. Chill. Marking the rest of that squad.
We are shooting right now. We are literally shooting right now. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count.
That's not the guy I saw the first time, I don't think. I don't think that was the same guy. Gotta be honest.
Gas is moving.
I don't think.
Enemy UAV overhead. Find cover. Enemy soldier incoming. Hostile mortar strike near your position.
Dang. We got hit with the heat-seeking mortar, bro. The heat-seeking mortar, man. That's tough.
This is the end game.
I'm gonna try to buy my guns over here. Hope there's nobody over here. I'm gonna just grab subs all today. These. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. This how they got fried. There's only 3 teams left. That's crazy.
dropping into the AO.
That is an insane head coach, ladies and gentlemen. That is a crazy head glitch. There's two guys in the stairwell. I'm having.
Gas is closing in.
But does he hit this though?
You're losing ground. Move it.
Dang, this isn't good. They had that build everything locked down, man. Good shots. Dang, bro. I don't know why, dude. He has my guns. How'd you kill me on my guns, bro? Good shots, man. Good shots, man. Yeah, I knew I wasn't crazy. I was like, I'm kind of lagging right now this end game. I was like, wait a second. Like, that kind of felt weird right there. But on the bright side, as long as they win, we're good. As long as they win, we're good.
Hostile eliminated.
Yeah, I guess I don't know. It is what it is. It is what it is. I killed you? When? GG's. GG's, brother. GG's to the boys. Every GG's to the boys. But guys, that is gonna